My name is Brett Snar. I work for For-Shor Company. We are a supplier of concrete construction materials, specializing in forming, shoring, and tilt-up specifically, and all the accessories that go with those. We provide this equipment to general contractors in the Intermountain West.
What were like the founding fathers of For-Shor?
Well, coincidentally, one was my grandfather, Orrin Nelson, my mom's dad. He and his brothers, and also a friend who was a partner, they had a company. They were a mechanical company. For-Shor Company was incorporated in 1970. They decided to start a supply company, and that was the origins of For-Shor Company.
And how'd they get into the shoring and concrete end of it?
Yeah, well, there was a need for it in the market, and they saw that need, and they thought that they could start a company and do that, and they did. It's always been in Salt Lake City, and yes, we've always had just one office. We don't have multiple branches, but through the one office, we service the entire state of Utah, get into some of our neighboring states, Idaho, Wyoming, for example. Yeah, one interesting thing I would say about For-Shor Company is the average tenure of our employees. I would say that it's around, at this point, about 30 years for the majority of us. We have people in managerial positions, drafting, accounting, employees in the yard, maintenance. Yeah. Many people have been in here for decades. There's not a lot of turnover.
Try to remember the first experience you had with GluDown.
Doing a tilt-up job, they had questions about the adhesives, the GluDown adhesives, and how they would compare to fasteners. And I think that they wanted to see a side-by-side demonstration. And you and I visited that job. I believe they were installing, could have been double chamfer. From my memory, they were impressed with the performance of the adhesives. It's easy to apply, and it just works. GluDown, it's a trusted name, and people ask for it by name.